Welcome back, everyone. So, today we'll be just exploring the Elderwood Forest, and if we find any animals, we could just groom them. And yeah, so let's get right into it. But before that, I need to change into something better. So, let's look at the costumes. So, for the hair, I'll be going with. That's nice, but maybe, yeah. So today's hair is gonna be this, and then we'll be going to the dress. This is a pretty dress, and let's do. But I like this. Okay, we'll go with this for today, and maybe some sleeves should be. Honestly, that's kind of good. So, okay, we'll keep that. And then the sock. Purple or black. Or we'll go with this. Okay, that's done. Do we need any accessories? Her head could have okay, we'll just put this. And for the earring, there are these single earrings which I'm not really fond of. Why don't they just make it on the other side as well? Like, it's actually pretty, but I won't use it just because it's only on one side. Do you agree? Okay, let that be there. And for the necklace, okay, that's pretty. Yeah, nothing else. Just put a ring, maybe that, or this. Yeah, this is better. Of course, we got the nails, so let's put the nails on. That's so pretty. I love the nails. I wish we get more of them in the future. So that's that. And the makeup is not actually suiting for this, so let's change that. Okay, that's good. Okay, that's better. Okay, we'll just go with this. And the eye color could be blue as well. Or purple. Purple is better, I guess. But the foundation, I'm not. Okay, we'll go with this. This is kind of pretty. Okay, so let's go chase around some. Let's see if there are any. Yes, we got the first one. No, don't run away. Yeah, there it is. We got it. Okay, that's the first animal we got. That's a cute bunny. Okay, let's go see if there are any other animals other than the. I keep seeing some. No, never mind. Yes, there is a bird. Let's go get that. Oh no! It just flew away. Okay, there is one. Yes, it's a porcupine. Let's groom that. Oh, that's an adorable porcupine. Look at the animation. Oh, that's so sweet. Okay, we'll go to the next one. Oh, we'll get this. And I'm not sure if there is anything, so let's go back to the forest. Oh my god. We gotta kill that thing, okay. I'll try. I hope I can kill that guy. Ew. Oh no, he's gonna be putting more and more enemies now. For that, I need to kill him. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Get rid of my way. Get away, get away, get away. Where is that guy? I think we need to kill all of these in order to kill him. Where are you? Okay, there he is, there he is. Let's kill him. Okay, I guess it's the last one. Let's... Oh, yes, 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 yes. Come on. Yes, we finally did it. Okay, so let's go get that chest. Okay, we got 30 diamonds, and let's get those things. We can do up. Oh, I really love this fruit. So we have to put an arrow or something, and yes, look at that, it's a fruit, and we get to collect it. It's called, oh, I missed the name, sack fruit. Okay, let's get another one. Okay, there we have it. Okay, so I guess that's it for today's video. It was just scrolling through the Elderwood Forest and finding few animals. So I guess I'll see you in the next one. Bye.